Okay, guys, I'm well into this project of lifting my Slam two-wheel drive dually. And I've had some interest. Other people have said that they would watch a build like this. It is 4-linked rear. Those are Toyota Tacoma coilovers. Can't really see it, but that is a divorced transfer case. NP205. I've got a aftermarket fuel pump right there coming from the tank that I've put in the bed. It's a 15-gallon aluminum fuel cell, usually for racing or whatever application. I've got that put on there. Fuel regulator. Got some brake fluid leaking right there for some reason. Big block 454, 5-speed, NV 4500. So as you can see, it is really divorced. I'm waiting on a guy to build me some drive shafts. Once I have drive shafts on, it will drive. So this is the new fuel tank that I just put in this truck. And I needed to get all the fuel out of it. So what I've done, put in a hose, go into a gas tank. I'm on the outlet that would have gone to the fuel filter. And just a little DeWalt battery. That's the vent for the gas tank. This is for sale on Marketplace. I don't know if it will sell or when it will sell, but that is a new fuel pump also. New sock filter. Basically brand new setup. I'm asking $150 for it. I paid over $200 just a couple months ago to put that in the truck. If anybody's interested, let me know by liking or subscribing. Maybe I'll put out some more on this truck.